Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a smooth journey of setting up a home Wi-Fi network right here in Manchester. If you've ever struggled with spotty connections or slow internet speeds, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, I'm unboxing this sleek Wi-Fi router. It's always a thrill to see what's inside, isn't it? With everything laid out, I'll plug in the cables easy peasy. Just a few simple steps, and we're on our way to a stronger connection. Now, let's connect to the internet. I'll walk you through the setup process, which is super user-friendly. And just like that, we're online. But wait, let's check the speed. I'm running a quick speed test. And wow, look at those numbers. What's even better, I'm getting a strong signal in every room of the house. No more buffering or dropped connections, just pure, uninterrupted browsing. You can see the relief on my face finally, a Wi-Fi setup that works. If you're in Manchester and facing Wi-Fi challenges, remember, it doesn't have to be complicated. With these easy setup tips, you can transform your internet experience in no time. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that follow button for more tips and tricks. Here's to a seamless online experience. Happy surfing!